Good everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 21, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. As you can see here from our last update, we drew this resistance line at the top here, and that was a key pivot point potentially if it's going to bounce down from that area and go to the downside. But it has actually broken through that to the upside, so that now is no longer valid as a resistance area. So we're going to delete that. And so where we're left with now is this support area down here where it's bounced off that, and it's actually broken up as well as that resistance area. It's also broken up through this descending diagonal trend line we drew earlier. So potentially looking at like a possible potential long position is coming up soon if this continues. I say if this continues because the 4 hourly and the other hourly chart have already broken to the upside on the CCI in line with the price action. And you'll notice here on the daily chart, the CCI is now coming close to being crossing over its moving average. So if that happens, that's a sign of bullishness, and we may see some further upside on the Bitcoin price. Likewise on a Stochastic 100, 200, you see it's been in the oversold territory for a few months now, since roughly June on the daily. And that's also turning up, so that's also a minor signal that it's using a more positive bullish signal. So again, before going long, I would wait for this to start turning up and the moving average starting to turn up and that breaking through to the upside before getting too excited about going long. Otherwise, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, we don't use stop losses. Reference some of the playlists at the end of this video, and also some descriptions in the link below. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.